Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. Here I am Kritika Sharma and today we will discuss about posology. So first I will explain what is a posology. Posology is derived from the Greek word posos, that means how much, and logos means science. Posology is a branch of medical science which deals with the dose or quantity of the drug which can be administered to the patient to get a desired pharmacological action. The dose of drug cannot be fixed rigidly because various factors are responsible, that is age, sex, severity of the disease, etc. The official dose in a pharmacopoeia is present. The average range of the quantity is suitable for the adult which administration orally within a 24 hours. When the other route of administration are followed, the relevant appropriate dose is given. Then the factor influencing the dose. Many factors influence the dose. First is age, sex, body weight, route of administration, time of administration, environmental factor, emotional factor, presence of the disease, accumulation, additive effect, synergism, antagonism, idiosyncrasy, tolerance, tachyphylaxis, and metabolic disturbance. The pharmacokinetics of many drugs changes with the age. The newborn infants, pediatric, are abnormal sensitive to the certain drug because of immature state of their hepatic and renal function, by which the drugs are inactivated and eliminated from the body. Is failure to the detoxify and eliminate the drug result their accumulation in the tissue to a toxic level. Whereas elder patients are more sensitive to the some drug effect. Example is hypnotics, which may be produce confusion state in there. Sex is a woman do not always respond to the action of the drug in the same manner is done in the male. The special care should be taken in a when a drug administration during the maturation, pregnancy and lactation. The strong purgative, example is aloes, should be avoided during the maturation, and the similar drug which may be the stimulate the urine smooth muscle, example is drastic purgative, antimalarial drug, and ergot alkaloids are contraindicated during the pregnancy. Alcohol and barbiturate, narcotic drug, act on the fetus through the placenta, and during the lactation morphine tetracycline is avoided because the effect on the babies. Third is body weight. The average dose is mentioned either in a term of the mg per kg body weight. Another technique is use the total single for an adult weighing between 50 to 100 kg. However, the dose is expressed in this fashion is may not apply the cases of the obese patient and the children and malnourished patient. It should be calculated according to the body. Route of administration. IV dose of drug are usually smaller than oral dose because the intravenous route is might be enhance the chances of the drug toxicity. The effectiveness of the drug formulation is generally controlled by the route of administration. Time of administration. The presence of the food in the stomach delay the absorption of the drug and rapidly absorb from the empty stomach. But it does not mean that much effective when taken during the after meal. The iron and arsenic cod liver oil should be given after the meal and antacid drug taken before meal. Then the presence of disease. The drug like a barbiturate, chlorpromazine may be produced usually prolonged effect in a patient having liver cirrhosis, such as streptomycin is produced the toxic effect on these patient. Their kidney function is not working properly because the streptomycin is excreted through the kidney. Then accumulation. Some drug produce the toxic effect if it is rapidly administration for the long time. Example, digitalis, imatine, heavy metals, because this drug is excreted slowly. This occurs due to the accumulative effect of the additive effect. When a two or more drug administration together is equivalent to the sum of other individual pharmacological action, the phenomena is called as additive effect. Ephedrine and aminophylline in the treatment of bronchial asthma. Synergism when the desired therapeutic result needed is difficult to achieve, the single drug at that time or two or more drugs are used in a combination form for the increasing their action. Their phenomena is called as synergism. Procaine adrenaline is combination that increase the duration of action of procaine. Then the antagonism. When the action of one drug is opposed by the other drug on the same physiological system in a known as a drug antagonism. The use of antagonistic response to the drug is valuable treatment of the poisoning. Example like milk of magnesia is a given in acid poisoning, whereas the alkaline effect of the milk of magnesia is neutralize the effect of the acid poisoning. When the adrenaline and acetylcholine are given together, they neutralize the effect of each other due to the antagonism, because the adrenaline is a vasoconstrictor and acetylcholine is a vasodilator. Then the idiosyncrasy. The idiosyncrasy is called as allergy. And the extraordinary response to the drug, which is different from the characteristic of pharmacological action, is called idiosyncrasy. The small quantity of the aspirin maybe causes the gastric hemorrhage, and some person are sensitive to the penicillin and sulfonamide because they produce severe toxic effect. Then the metabolic disturbance. The change is the water electrolyte balance and acid-base balance is body temperature and other pharmacological factor is maybe modify the effect of the drug. Salicylate is reduce the body temperature in only in the case an individual has rise in a body temperature, they have no antipyretic effect if the body temperature is normal. Thank you.